cold morning and you go into your freezing car, turn on the ignition, and it's not what you need. The battery is flat. Well, batteries actually account for up to 2 out of 3 breakdowns in the UK. So, does your battery simply need recharging or replacing? First off, what are the signs that it simply just needs recharging? Well, if the battery is less than 3 years old, it's still classed as relatively new and shouldn't need replacing. Another good indicator is if you've had no previous problems with starting your car or any electrical components. If you've left your car parked up for a couple of weeks, it is likely that the battery has actually gone flat, so a simple recharge will bring it back to life. Last but not least, if you've left your lights on whilst you've been parked up overnight, leaving any electrical component on can drain your battery. If your battery is in good condition, then it most likely just needs a charge. You can do this by jump starting with another vehicle or using a battery charger. Once your car is up and running, it's always worth to get it checked out by a technician. They'll test the voltage and the start capacity to give you peace of mind in the future. Those are the things to look out for if your battery needs recharging, but what about if it needs replacing? If your battery is over 4 years old, then it most likely will need replacing. That's because older batteries deteriorate and lose their ability to hold charge, just like your mobile phone. As your battery nears its end of life, you may find some electronic features not working as they normally would. You may even see your check engine light come on, and that's because the battery hasn't enough power to send energy to the onboard computer. Dim headlights can be another sign. An easy test is to pop your car into park or neutral and rev the engine. If your headlights actually get brighter when you rev the engine, it can be a sign that your battery is failing. If your battery is starting to struggle and hasn't been replaced in a few years, then don't take the risk. Vehicle batteries are relatively inexpensive, and the small cost of a replacement is worth avoiding the stress and inconvenience of a breakdown. To find out more, head to EdenTyres.com.